How to install Whitehat Junior application on Android. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Whitehat Junior apps on Android. So what you have to do, you have to simply go to Play Store. Here, this is the Play Store application. This is the Play Store application. You have to go to this Play Store, and then here you have to search for Whitehat JR. So let me just search, and first one you can see, this is the first one, Whitehat JR. So what you need to do, simply click on this install option, and then your Whitehat Junior book free trial class will be downloaded in a meanwhile. So let us wait until it gets downloaded. So guys, you can see here I have successfully installed the application. So let us see how we can sign inside the application. So here, this is the app. So let me just click on Whitehat Junior application. So this will be the first interface. So now the first option is like parents ID, email address. So you have to give up your parents email address, parents name, parents mobile number, kids name, and your class. Here, if you are in class 1, you have to select for class 1. If you are class 2 to 3, you have to select for this. If you are 4 to 6, you have to select. If you are 6 to 7 to 9, 10 to 12, so whatever you are, you have to select this. Do you have a laptop, PC at home? If you have a laptop or computer at home, click yes. If no, click no. Now after this, you have to simply click on this schedule a free trial, and then you are inside the Whitehat JR application. This is very pretty simple. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please hit the subscribe button. See you soon on the next video.